everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today I have a lot to show, okay? Like a lot. So I'm gonna just go ahead and jump straight into this haul. Go in any particular order. Just know I did pick up something from Anthropology, this black owned brand off of Instagram, and then I went to Target. Fifi under me, y'all. I don't know, she's whining. So here's my Anthropology purchase. I just got this here cute little pouch because it was on sale. Well, this little beaded wallet because it was on sale. It was, how much is the original price? The original price, let me see, was $38 and I got it for $20. And I just thought it was really cute, right? Like a little cute pink little purse. So I got that. That was in here from the black owned brand, y'all. Here is the bag, y'all. When I tell you this bag is so cute, I'm gonna insert clip right here or in between the videos, the clip, so y'all can see what actually fits in this hair bag, y'all. But y'all, this hair bag is super cute. It has like that wipeable material, so if you was to take this to the coffee shop and spill coffee on it, it's going to literally roll off the bag. Like, you do not have to worry about the bag getting stained. It do not have any feet. You do have a black hole, and I just have some stuff in here, and I did add my little charms on here myself. But y'all, when I tell you I love this hair bag, and I will link her Instagram. I'm not sure if I can actually link the product, but I will link her Instagram. And then on to the Target haul. I did do a little damage, like a lot. I did do some damage at Target. So I got this here Just Water. They did change the packaging because it used to be a lot. The packaging was a lot bulkier, so now it looks like it's a little thinner. Wicked came out with a Stanley and Wicked collab. So they have this here straw topper. This straw topper, y'all, was $20. I gotta see if it's even worth it. I got it to go on. I'm gonna show you, but here's the topper. So I'm gonna make sure this topper is worth it, y'all, because like I said, this thing was $20, and I was not looking to pay $20 for a straw topper. But I ended up seeing it, and I was like, ooh, I need that. So I got that. And I have the, of course, y'all know I have the 7 Pro Max, the 17 Pro Max. I got another velvet caviar case, y'all. When I tell you I love velvet caviar cases. This is the cup I got you all. So I just need to make sure this is worth the $20. I get a planner for 2026. I'm not going to go crazy like I did one year when I just bought all these planners and I barely used the planners. So I'm going to try to stick with this one planner and make it do what it do. Honestly, I just needed like something to, I don't know if this is what I was looking for in a planner. So I don't know, because I was looking for it to be like in a calendar form. Okay, so it do have, so I was looking for it to look like this, and then to have the big slots for writing down, jotting down notes. So this is something I may just go ahead and keep because it's really simple and to the point. I didn't want to carry a bunch of little bags. I did go to Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show what I got at Dollar Tree really quick. I got this here what is it, reindeer headband. Here, coffee espresso machine descaler. I got it because I don't have access to an espresso store close to me. So I'm gonna see if this worked, y'all, because my machine stopped working on me. Here, trail mix. Then this here, cat food for Fifi. A fragrance, something where you can put fragrance in. With the caviar case, the velvet caviar case, I got the cherry strap. So I got that handle because it was on sale. It was on sale for $7.50, and I like the fact that it has the wooden stem. So I do plan to burn that maybe tonight, because of course, if I burn, I have to wash it, because you know, Fifi. The cutest thing ever, y'all. I got a Wicked sweatshirt because I do plan to go see Wicked. So, but this was so cute. Like, right, y'all, this is just cute. So I got that to wear if I go to the movies in the bag so it don't get dirty. Fifi, some more cat food. Myself some Starbucks coffee, because the other machine does not require you to descale like the original. So I got that for now. Then I got the little scrubbers for the toilet. Hair lotion, y'all. It's the cashmere. It's the EOS cocoa cashmere. See how it smells on the hand, because I could tell if it's like that cheapy lotion. Okay, it don't smell bad. I usually take my rings off when I put lotion on. Doesn't smell bad. Now this I'm excited to try, you all. The Chobani cookie butter. Y'all, I was trying to get this at Whole Foods while I was on my lunch break, and they were sold out. But Target had like a full stock. So I was like, okay. They're from Target. And y'all, I have a huge box. Like a huge box. Let me go grab it. So I purchased this off of Sephora.com. Often different brands would give us an extra 20% off. What? You want some treats? Let me give you some treats. Here, take these dental treats, which ends up being 50% off. So when I saw that Shark was giving us 50% off, I said, me and my Sephora friend went on Sephora.com so fast. I'm gonna get that, because you cannot beat this, because this here retails for $300 and almost $400, y'all, and we got it for half the price. I was like, Mom, what is in that big box? So let me pull this out. A Prada lip sample and a Tatcha sample. So you might be like, okay, Miss Tamika, what is that? It says clinically tested to reduce fine lines and acne. Now I don't have acne, but I am looking forward to the under eye cooling to help visibly tighten under eyes in one use, reduce fine lines and firm skin in 8 weeks. Of course, I can't really play with it too much today because, oh my gosh, it's almost 10 o'clock, y'all. And I work tomorrow, but I have to work late. So let me see how you open it. If I can. Fifi, what are you doing? All right, there we go. I didn't see that. Yo, time is going by so fast. You hear me? Like, goodness gracious. All right. So I'm going to just show you really quick what it looks like. So here's the box. She looks scary. Oh, oh my gosh, y'all. Let me show you. Hold on. And this is what I was talking about for like the under eye area. This gets, you can set this on cooling and warm. And it, oh my gosh, y'all, I cannot wait to put my eye cream under my eye. And it also has the remote. So cushiony, like, oh my gosh. It looked kind of creepy though, y'all. Like, look at it. It looks creepy, but okay. And I did, and on the website, I saw that it was like 5 stars. So yeah, y'all, I can't wait to try this out. Like I said, I won't be able to try it out today because I have a lot going on. Do a review on this here Shark. So make sure you are subscribed. And I'm going to put all this stuff up so I can go ahead and wind down. I got to take off this makeup. I just have a lot to do, and I feel like I don't have enough time. Want to go like straight to bed. But yeah, yeah. And it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything up and see what this here topper. Let's see what this topper looks like before I put this up. Is this here even worth it? So how you supposed to? How you supposed to do the topper? I guess it's supposed to go like this. I don't know. We gotta see. I think this is for the bigger cup. All right, so that might not be a go for me because I'm not buying the bigger cup. So these two might be a go back. It's a keeper, but I just wanted to kind of like show you what I had. Fifi. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this here vlog so I can get myself ready to relax before I go to bed, because I don't like to just get into bed, if you get what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and relax and wind down. So I will see y'all in the next vlog, okay?